Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Patreon to Zapier for creator income tracking. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Patreon to Zapier for creator income tracking, you'll need to start by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one quickly by signing up. Next, click on Make a Zap to begin creating your workflow. In the Trigger section, search for and select Patreon. Choose the specific trigger you want to use, such as New Pledge. Once you've selected your trigger, click Continue. You'll need to connect your Patreon. Click on Sign in to Patreon and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. After connecting, return to the Zapier interface and click Continue. Now, you should test your trigger to ensure it works. Click on Test Trigger and check for any successful replies. Once confirmed, click Continue to move to the next step. In the Action section, search for an app where you want to send your Patreon data. For example, you could use Google Sheets for income tracking. Select your preferred app and choose the action you want to take, such as Create Spreadsheet Row. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier if you haven't already. Authorize the connection and click Continue. Now, map the fields from Patreon to your Google Sheet. This is where you determine what data will be sent where. Once you've mapped your fields, click Continue. Test your action to see if it successfully adds a row in your Google Sheets. Review the test results and ensure everything is in order. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your workflow. Congratulations, you've now connected Patreon to Zapier for effective income tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.